Hey YouTube, this is your girl Voice Raven. I'm coming to you guys with a little install video and low-key commentary on how I feel about this hair. The hair that I have in my head is the, let me see, I know the name of it, but I just want to be for sure. And so the hair is Free Tress Braid Gogo Curl 12 inches, and I got it in the color 1B and the color 1 because my hair is dark, so I typically like to go for hair that's dark, especially when I do a crochet style, because I want it to look as natural to my hair as possible, even though we know it's not real, but you know, it's just how I feel. So I'm gonna show you guys how I installed the hair, and I'm gonna give y'all a quick through on that, and then we're gonna come right back, and then I'm gonna tell you how I feel about the hair, if it's a yay or a nay for me personally. This is my own personal opinion. So without further ado, watch me slay this hair. Okay. Okay, now that you guys saw that, you saw me do the braid down, install the hair. I think I did the edges, I'm not sure, but I just did them not too long ago. So if I didn't do the edges, I'll put it in how I did my edges, just in case somebody want to know. But I'm not too good at edges, so you don't want to take notes from me. Anyway, I do like the hair. The hair is cool. The hair's texture is pretty fine, finer than what I'm used to. Another thing about the hair is when you stretch it and you pull it apart, there's like some type of residue on the hair that makes it curly, which I understand because it's synthetic hair. But there's a residue that when you pull it, it gives it like little bitty white. Like, I'm gonna pull the hair apart, and like it's like a wax that you can see on the hair after. You can't really see it on here, but there's like a waxy like residue on the end of the hair, just in case if anybody wanted to know that. overall I think the hair is cool. I've only had it in for a couple of hours. I literally did it last night and I'm about to take it out. Not because the hair is not good, not because the hair isn't what I would like. Well, it's not what I would like, because me personally, I would prefer a natural texture. Like, I would prefer natural texture hair if I'm gonna do a crochet versus something that's a little more silky. I feel like it's not my hair texture, and I personally just don't like it. Like, yeah, it is cute. Like, now that I'm looking at it right now, I'm like, bitch, it's fucking cute. Like, I should just get over it and be like, you spent your money, girl, so wear it. But in actuality, I know myself, I have really terrible anxiety. And if I don't like something, I don't like something. And if I don't like something, I can't deal with something, okay? So if it's something I'm not comfortable with, I will take my hair out. So that's what I'm gonna do, take the hair out. But overall, the hair is good. If you're looking for a nice curly, loose, nice, like a loose to tight curl pattern, this will be the hair for you. If you're into something that's silky, if you're not into something that's silky and you want to go just a little bit more natural to your 4C hair type, then I would suggest you get this. But if you don't have 4C hair type and you want something natural, this might not be for you. I mean, this is really cute. Like, it's cute when my makeup is done. See, when my makeup is done, it's real cute. It looks real suave. But me personally, I don't do my makeup every day, and I like to rock the natural look. 95% of my life, I'm natural out the gate with a lot of things. So if I'm gonna do anything that's a little more on the silky side, I want me a 20-inch or 22, 24, 26-inch weave. So I can be like, yes, bitch, yes, bitch. But yeah, this is some good hair. If you guys like this look, if this is something that you would like to achieve, then yeah, go out and purchase this hair. I got this from my local beauty supply. I think I spent about $33 on 4 packs of it. It was like $7.99, I believe, something like that. But yeah, that's my final review on this hair. That's really all I got to say. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. The hair is really cute and I love messing with it, but it's just not me. Like, if you see my previous video, the hair that I fell in love with was Free Trust Water, I think it was Bohemian Wave. I really love that hair only because it was very nappy, and it got really nappy over time. And I know I'm a weirdo, but I love nappy hair, so it's just something that I really do like. So if you like nappy hair like I do, and you don't want this fine wine looking stuff on your head, go get you some Bohemian Wave, girl. And it's still Free Trust, so it's inexpensive. It's not like, you know, I wasted a ton of money by getting this hair and then taking it out. I literally wasted $33, which I could use because the nigga's not rich, but it's $33 versus, you know, other hair that's like $150 or $300, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, my name is Valencia Raven. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And let me know how you guys feel in the comment section. If you ever tried this hair, let me know how you liked it. Let me know if you didn't like it. Let me know how long it lasts. But honestly, I don't really care to know how long it lasts, but I know some women might want to know, or some men might want to know how long it lasts, just for future references. So put that down in the description. Yeah, and like I said, I'm about to cut this mess out once I'm done freaking my wig over there that I gotta fix. But it's cute. This is cute for a couple pictures for my Instagram. And that's about that. But my name is Valencia, and like I said, yeah, I can't say it enough. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Love, peace, chicken, great.